I start with the last setup in StudioOne, where I had a SpatStrument GR24 and to follow a SpatStrument FX24N also in a 9.1.6 multi-channel project surround for StudioOne. I've said previously that you can also use it in Atmos configuration, but with currently introduced some limits, since it is done to work either in object mode where you have mono sounds which can be panned around you, or on the other hand only beds which can be at the maximum configuration 7.1.2. And if I use a multi-channel bus, even 9.1.6, it will be downscaled automatically in a bed. We can test it. Spatial audio. I will switch from surround to Dolby Atmos. Bed format, output format, okay, with objects. Yes, it will not work with this sound card to record in Studio, so we cannot hear the output, but it will be enough to show where the problem is. I have still my track, multi-channel track, with the panner, and now the panner shows 9.1.6 converted to 7.1.2, which is a shame. The only mean to use my 9.1.6 space is to render it to 16 mono files and then convert them to objects. So I switch again to surround. Now my panner shows 9.1.6 maintained. I will record what is produced with my SpatStrument GR. We hear it through the integrated binauralizer, which is limited but allowed to hear something acceptable with headphones. I will add a new track, also 9.1.6, and I will select as input another track, the existing track. I will activate the recording and start to play.
Je bent nu verwijderd. Kijk, je voelt ons lopen posten.
Okay, and now I can hear what I have recorded.
Je bent nu verwijderd. Kijk, je voelt ons lopen posten.
It is how you will work with SpatStruments in StudioOne, like in other multi-channel hosts, and you can afterward split, cut, or arrange your sounds in this spatial format, like you will do in stereo. So now we will see how to transform this multi-channel file into 16 mono files to encode it in objects in Atmos. I have now opened a project, a song, with 16 tracks, and on each tracks there's a Dolby Atmos banner. So of course the spatial format of the song is now switched to Dolby Atmos. What I have to do is to select the exported 16 channels from the previous little sequence I have played. The export then, as a multi-channel file, needs to be converted to mono files. I will use for this a little utility which name is Wave Without. You can download it. There's a link on the SpatStruments page. So I will just drag the files coming from StudioOne, record 9.1.6. It is in wave extensible format, and it is interesting since when I will export the separated files, they will be tagged with the correct channel name. In Wave Without, I select the mode, stream manipulation, monostreams. I can also do the contrary, convert mono files into multi-channel file. Okay, and I click on convert, and voila. Now I have 16 files. I can show them on the screen. You can see record 9.1.6, channel 0 to 5, but also left, right, center, LFE, and so on. So I will drag these files on my tracks from track 1 to track 16. All them I connected to the correct spatial location through the object banner, left, right, center. And now if I play the project, you will not be able to hear it through the headphones, since I have to select a driver that cannot be recorded in Studio, since the Atmos renderer needs in StudioOne a special block size. Yes. So you can at least see that the 16 mono channels are sent to the, I suppose, correct location in the object form. One more time. And now if I export, if I do the renderer of this project, I will have a WAV file in ADM format, which will be able to be then encoded in format to be delivered. The ADM WAV file cannot be played on a Dolby Atmos player, home cinema player or a smartphone. You will need to convert it in a suitable delivery format.